What's up guys, in today's video we are going to compare two all-in-one marketing tools, Kajabi and GoHighLevel, to finally answer the question which app is better for your marketing needs. Now we are going to compare them side by side, and in the end I'm going to give you guys my own opinion. Now I'm not sponsored by any of these tools, neither Kajabi or GoHighLevel. However, if you do want to sign up to them, I will leave you links down below for that. And also when signing up with GoHighLevel, you're going to get some bonuses from me worth over $2,000, including a full-on landing page funnel template, so make sure to take advantage of that if you want to. Either way, let's quickly get started with Kajabi. Now, Kajabi originally started out being a kind of course-based website where you could upload, host and sell your online courses. However, they've recently implemented a lot more great features, like for example, you can now create websites, you can create funnels, you can sell memberships, you can actually use Kajabi to send out emails to your contacts, you're going to have a creator studio, and so on. However, with that being said, I think the core feature of Kajabi still is going to be online course creation, and I think this is kind of the area where Kajabi shines. Now, when looking at the websites, you can see that although this does look pretty good in my opinion, this is, I think, not that advanced yet. However, they're steadily updating this, so it's actually nice to see that Kajabi really tries to create a more all-in-one marketing product. On the other hand, GoHighLevel essentially is an all-in-one marketing product. You can see it on screen right here. This is going to be the dashboard of my account. Let's quickly open up this test account. Now in GoHighLevel, you're essentially going to get features for all sorts of different stuff. So let it be email marketing, funnel creation, let it be online courses, online memberships. They actually do have a full-on school.com clone, which you can completely white label. And one of the key features of HighLevel is that actually you can easily resell and white label the HighLevel software. So this right here, what you see on screen, is going to be the actual CRM overview, I like to call it that way, where you can then actually find access to your calendar, contacts, you can see your marketing automations, you can see your sites, memberships, you can then actually also see your invoices, you can basically manage all of the payments and so on. And basically you can actually white label this on HighLevel with your own logo, with your own stuff, and you can then actually resell this, which is a great feature and which a lot of people actually do really underestimate. So this is something which I definitely have to highlight. I really like this. Now when it comes to the overall interface, I think both Kajabi as well as HighLevel are pretty intuitive and easy to get started with. However, I will leave you links to beginner tutorials down below for you to watch to actually understand how these tools work, because it can be a little bit overwhelming when just starting out. Now when it comes to the pricing, Kajabi recently actually introduced a Kickstarter plan, which is going to start at $55 per month, and if you're going to change this to manually, this is going to start at $69 per month. This is going to give you guys 0% transaction fee, 50 landing pages, 1,250 marketing emails, which is quite low, and you're also going to get access to one product, one funnel, and 250 contacts, which also is more on the lower side. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is going to have two different plans. I guess three, but the third one isn't important right now. First, they do have the starter plan. Basically, both of these plans are going to give you guys all of the functions which you can see on screen right here. However, the only difference is that the starter plan is going to give you the function like you can see on screen. However, the unlimited plan is then going to give you API access, unlimited sub accounts, and you can then actually also brand the desktop app, and basically you can then white label your desktop app right here. So essentially, if you do want to white label HighLevel, you will have to go for an unlimited plan. However, if you just want to have access to all of the CRM features, email marketing and so on, you can go for the starter plan. And as you can see, this is going to give you guys all of the different tools right here. Now with HighLevel, unlike on Kajabi, you aren't actually going to pay based on the amount of subscribers that you have, for example. Rather, this is kind of an all-in-one price which you can actually pay. Now, I will leave you links to both Kajabi as well as HighLevel down below. By using my HighLevel link, you guys are going to get access to an extended 30-day free trial and $2,000 in bonuses for completely free, like the landing page template, which you can see on screen right here. This is great for selling courses, you can use this as a lead magnet and much more. I will leave you links to both tools down below. That's it, thank you for watching.